What up, guys? It has been a fucking minute. I want to talk about something that I've been discovering, still discovering, trying to piece together this puzzle. Um, but something that's been working for me fairly well. Um, so let me just take a sip of water and we'll get right into it. Okay. There we go. That's better. Um, yeah, so let me just get right into this. So I've seen this more with Nas and a little bit with US 30, but we'll just go into a few examples. So I've noticed a pattern when it comes to fail swings. I'm going to be uploading this on YouTube, so this might not make the most sense because I've talked about it in my Telegram. If you want to join my Telegram, the link will be in the description. But assuming you know what I'm talking about, we're just gonna go off of that you do. But so if you come to the weekly chart, I've noticed there's a pattern of sometimes, not always, but sometimes depending on where price wants to go. So let's say that, in this instance, it's bearish, right? So in this instance, it's bearish. This weekly candle set a high, and this weekly comes and takes it out. So I've noticed a pattern of that happening essentially. And what will happen is, specifically on Nas, it usually happens like during the extended trading hours. So extended trading hours is from 5 p.m. to 4 a.m. Um, but what ends up happening is, so this is the high that's set, and then the 1 hour fail swing typically gets taken. So the 1 hour fail swing gets taken. Remember, this is the start of the new week. So, and what happens right at 8 a.m. around stock market open, it takes it out. So then from there you have basically two options. You can take the trade from here and if you want, you can put your stop here, wherever your targets are, and realistically, when a weekly candle does this, it usually covers that whole entire week. So this previous week that happens over here, it usually will, not all the time, but usually will take out all of this, if not a significant portion. So even like half of it. Um, or so you can take the trade from there with your stop above there. That's an option. Or you can go into fractal fail swings, which is basically, okay, this is a fail swing on the 1 hour, and then you go to a lower time frame to find a fail swing on that, and you could take a trade from, say from here to here with your stop above there. But this is actually a bigger stop. So you don't know if you're going to get a better stop or not. It depends on the candles that are given. Not always do they give you the most optimal entry. So that's one example right there, but we actually had this just happen at the beginning of this week, and this is Nas. I typically trade US 30, but I've noticed this pattern happens a lot on Nas. So this is Friday. So this is the low of this week, or last week, I should say. So the last week started right here. The low ends right here. Um, let's go down to the 1 hour. So we take that low once again. It's during extended trading hours. I'll just show you guys the indicator. This is extended trading hours. We take that low. What happens? Fractal fail swing. This is the 1 hour. And sometimes if you get lucky, it comes down to lower time frames. So 5 minute, I actually have really started to like the 2 minute. Was it the 1 minute on this one? Hold on. I thought I saw two. Uh, no, maybe I was looking at US 30. I don't remember. But either way, I think I was looking at this. Yeah, I think it was this candle. But either way, so that happens, right? It takes that fail swing. Even if you looked at it from the 1 hour perspective, where did it go? Even if you looked at it from the 1 hour perspective, right? Again, you can go ahead and take the trade from here to here. It's a 20 pip stop. So again, it didn't take out everything, but this could be coming back down to take more liquidity to go higher. We don't know yet. But the previous weekly high is going to be Monday up here. But we've already taken out, I would say, almost half, like pretty close. And that's with just going off the 1 hour fail swing. But as I mentioned, there's fractals on lower time frames. So there was indeed a fractal on this. So 2 minute fractal fail swing. Now you have a tighter stop loss. I don't know if there was anything on the 1 minute. There was, okay. But so you get a tighter stop loss, let's just say you aimed for the top of this. That's a 1 to 13. If you actually took it to the top for whatever reason, if your target was up there, it's a 1 to 20. So this is really powerful. I don't really know what to call it yet. Maybe fail swing profiles. I don't want to call it weekly profiles because currency merchant, aka Kish, he already has that term. And even though it is kind of based off a weekly thing, it doesn't happen all the time. So I'm trying to figure out how to like compile all the information that I'm gathering. But yeah, we'll just call it fail swing profiles for right now. But it happens like fairly often. So like even right here, like this weekly, like so weekly low right here. Like it's been happening so much recently. So this was that weekly low. This was the week that broke it. So it comes and takes out this Friday as well. But you can see what I mean. Break the weekly low, and then we reverse from there. This was on a Monday, so let's look at the Monday. So this one actually was a tad bit different, right? But the same principle applies because we took out the fail swing, right? Now just pretend that a couple pips. Even if, right, because this happens in 1 hour basically. So you take this fail swing, even if I'm usually in and out of my trades between 30 minutes to 2 hours. I never usually hold them over 2 hours. That's just me. I don't really like to hold my trades very long. And as a trader, you have to analyze that yourself and know that about yourself. But basically, even if you took it to this high up here, that's already a 1 to 20 within about an hour. So, and that's with me not even going on the lower time frame. This 100% took this. So that's all you really have to do. Like, so you see, okay, weekly low got taken or weekly high, whichever way that you're looking at, right? Let a 1 hour fail swing get set. Like, just be patient because there are ways you can be like, oh, let me just take it at the low, but you don't know how low it's going to go. You know what I mean? Because this can keep pushing lower, and if you keep trying to take trades while when the low hasn't set yet, then you're gonna get fucked. And that's how I got fucked. Because I would think, oh no, this is the low, but let the low be set and then play off the fractal. Um, so this 1 hour gets taken, and then you have a 1 to fucking 20 within an hour. So this is just one fail swing profile. Like I said, I'm trying to like compile many together. And this is based off of mainly the weekly. So yeah, I could keep going and I could keep showing you more, but I think this is enough for now. Fail swing profiles, along with lower time frame fractals. So I hope this was very informative, very helpful. And guys, I would really appreciate it. I want to get more people in the Telegram. I want to connect with more people. So if you could do me a solid, if this video helped you out, give me a like, subscribe, but also more importantly, join the Telegram. If you don't know how Telegram works, you just download it on the App Store and then click the link in the description and it will take you into my group and you just click join and boom, you're in. So anyway, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in another video. Peace.